Solar water heaters are becoming one of the most efficient and eco-friendly technologies for homes and businesses in 2026. These systems use sunlight to heat water through solar collectors installed on rooftops, helping reduce electricity and gas consumption significantly. Modern solar water heaters are designed with advanced thermal insulation and smart temperature control systems, making them more reliable and energy efficient than older models. Many countries are encouraging the use of solar heating systems because they lower energy bills and reduce harmful carbon emissions. As renewable energy demand continues growing, solar water heaters are now widely used in homes, hotels, hospitals, and industrial buildings. They work effectively even in cooler weather using advanced vacuum tube technology and backup heating systems. One of the biggest advantages of solar water heaters is their long lifespan and low maintenance costs compared to traditional electric heaters. In 2026, smart solar heating systems can even connect to mobile apps for monitoring water temperature and energy savings in real time, making them an important part of sustainable living and green energy solutions.